guys, today I wanted to show you how I upcycled this sweater right here. It originally was 2 shirts and I combined the 2 to make it into one. You're going to need a long sleeve and another shirt that you're going to want for the top, a ruler, a measuring tape, a pin, and scissors of course. You'll need elastic, I'm using 1 inch, and of course your other sewing essentials. We're going to start off by taking the long sleeve shirt and folding it in half. We're going to line up the seams. I am measuring 1 inch down from the shoulder seam. And then I'm just placing a pin so that my fabric stays together. Now on the other side, I'm going to measure down 3 inches from the neckline. Now we're just going to cut from that point to the other point. And then your shirt should look like this. I'm just going to quickly measure around it to make sure that my other shirt has enough material. And it does. Now I'm just going to cut off the top of this shirt so that I'm left with a rectangle of fabric on the bottom. Now I'm going to fold it in half. Place my shirt that is also folded in half on top. And I'm going to cut and mimic the neckline. Now I'm just going to measure down about 5 inches and cutting that parallel to the top. And your piece should look like this. Now I'm just going to quarter it off, finding the front and the back and the 2 sides, and doing the same thing for the shirt so that I can pin it evenly. Now I'm going to pin them together, right sides touching. Now I'm just going to finish pinning and we're going to serge or zigzag stitch this together. This is what it looks like now, and now we're just going to fold it up. Now we're going to take some elastic that fits around the top of your shoulders, and we're going to sew the elastic together using a zigzag stitch. Once it's done, we're going to quarter that off and start pinning it to the top, pinning the front with the front, the back with the back, and the sides with the sides. When we're sewing this, we're going to use a zigzag stitch, but we're going to have to pull and stretch the elastic all along the top. Now we're just going to take it and fold it down. Pin that, and we're going to do another zigzag stitch all the way around. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this very simple upcycle, and now you can enjoy my daughter learning how to cast her fishing pole in the living room. If you guys have any video requests, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Feel free to comment and let me know what you would like to learn or see, even if it's very beginner friendly. If you like it, then please give this a thumbs up, and if you like my channel, then please subscribe. I'd love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.